My name is John Perrone. I'm with Perrone Sons. Perrone Sons manufactures a couple of small food items. We sell those to white tablecloth restaurants, and we also do distribution. Syspro's helped our company to compete by making us more efficient, allowing us to have the tools that the big guys, our bigger competitors, have been utilizing on a regular basis, but they've made it in a easier to reach format. What I really liked about Syspro was the customization that you can do, the custom forms, changing the whole way that the system works and the interface in it was just incredible. Syspro's got a great inventory query tool, and the movement there allows you to see how well you're moving an item, and you can look at it over any period of time. We actually have all of our history from the moment that we started operating with Syspro until today. All of that information is right at our fingertips. Syspro helps us to be FDA compliant because with its lot traceability, we're able to know everything that we've put into a product. And then we were also able to record and easily search everything that is shipped out to our customers. So when there is a recall, we are able to get it recalled really quick, know exactly who it went to and what quantities it went in. Syspro's helped us in the financial aspect that we're now EDI compliant with one of our trading partners who also happens to be our biggest customer. Once we got linked with them through EDI and Syspro's EDI solution, those orders are now all coming in and not needing to be touched. And it's an incredible thing. It's really helped us on our bottom line. It's going to be really hard to single out one benefit for Syspro that Syspro's brought to us, because there are so many benefits that it has brought. The customization, the pristine database table layout, that alone right there is just priceless. It makes everything so much easier, because if there isn't a report for how we want to see our information, my brother and I have both learned how to generate those reports in Crystal and in the other reporting services that Syspro has, and going on forth to automate those reports. It really makes it easy and extremely beneficial for us to see our data and what's relevant to us.